In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word on Google Chrome. If you don't have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, no problem. This quick walkthrough will show you how to use it for free, right in your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to office.com. This is Microsoft's web hub for all their Office apps. When the page loads, sign in with any free Microsoft or Outlook account to unlock the web versions of the apps. Once you're signed in, you'll see a clean dashboard with familiar icons on the left. Click the Word icon in the left-hand sidebar. That opens the web version of Microsoft Word, which is designed to feel just like the desktop app. From here, you can choose to start a blank document if you want a completely fresh page, or pick from dozens of free templates. Templates are great for jump-starting common projects like resumes, letters, reports, or brochures, and they come pre-formatted so you can focus on your content. Inside the editor, the layout will look familiar. Your ribbon at the top for formatting, and your document in the main area. Type as you normally would, and use the toolbar to adjust fonts, headings, spacing, and more. One of the biggest advantages of the web version is automatic saving. As you work, Word saves your changes in real time to your OneDrive, which means your progress is protected even if you close the tab or your laptop goes to sleep. You'll see Save Status updates near the top of the window so you know your work is safe. When you're finished and need to send your file to someone else, go to File, then Save As. From there, choose Download a copy to save it directly to your computer. You can choose a .docx file, which is perfect if the other person will open it in Word, or export as a PDF if you want to preserve the layout exactly as it appears and make it easy to view on any device. That's really all there is to it. Full document editing right in your browser without installing anything. It's fast, convenient, and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Chromebooks. Keep Office.com bookmarked for quick access, and the next time you need to draft a paper, polish a resume, or write a letter, you'll be ready to go in just a few clicks. You're all set. Done.